Hey everybody, it's me Eduardo again with Digital Radar Studio. And today I feel like it's gonna be a pretty fun video. I hope you enjoy it. Because one thing that I hear a lot from business owners is they don't think that they have the budget. So they think that they need a big budget to be able to create video ads or just, high quality videos. But honestly, all you need is just your phone, some pictures, which I'm sure you have plenty of pictures, plenty of content already for that. And yeah, I'm going to show you, let's get right to it, right? I'm going to show you on my phone how I create a video. It could take maybe 15 minutes or so. I would say on average it takes me about 15 minutes on my phone to do. But yeah, let's go ahead and hop on and check it out. Okay, everybody, let's get right to it. So as I mentioned before, the most important thing is understanding what the business owner wants, what kind of video we're trying to make here for them. And if you're the business owner, you probably already kind of have an idea what you want and everything. So I'm just going to show you the images that I've used up here at the top of the screen. And I got these from their Facebook page, which I don't have to show you how to do that. If you have a Facebook page, you have a website, just grab whatever images you're trying to use based on whatever video you're trying to make. Bring them into Gemini and go ahead and you can use ChatGPT to help you create a prompt for it. Here's the prompt that I used. I wanted to use before and after pictures. And then, so right now I'm gonna switch the camera that we can see the whole video, what it gave me. There we go. Let's go ahead and play that.
And covered in grime, Maddox Pro Wash can bring it back to life. We restore everything from fences to roofs. Call for a free quote today.
Okay, and as you can see, the video that it gave me, it didn't really use the images that I provided. It kind of looks like it kind of made its own thing. So yeah, so you definitely have to, do some editing as well, whether it be with your prompts, maybe give it better or different images. More likely it's going to be with a prompt. So yeah, so like I said, most likely it's going to be with the prompt and that you give it. So you definitely want to go through and edit it or, change the wording or something. But this is after I edited it, after I edited the prompt. Sorry, I'll be quiet. All right, so that's part of the video that it gave me. Then I had to split it up into a different video as well. And here's the other part to it. But as you can see, it gave me, it actually used all the pictures that I actually gave it this time around versus the first video. So yeah, and like I mentioned, you'll have to, definitely do some editing, getting the video together the way you want. And definitely let's go through that now. Okay, but yeah, once you get the film or the videos, the clips that you want to use for your ad, I just used the editing software that comes on my phone already. Most of the editing I do it on my phone. But yeah, you just go ahead and create the movie. That way you can stitch both of the videos that it gave us. We can stitch them together. So we're gonna hit play, see how that looks. Okay, so yeah, definitely like that a lot better than the original video it gave us. But yeah, you can see how easy that is. Just a couple steps, just takes a couple minutes, create your own video. I am going to take a step further here. I'm going to add the client's logo, which is where we at, McDuff. Alrighty, there we go. So we can go ahead and size it the way we want. I want to get that nice and straight. There we go. And then we can put it right here at the bottom of the screen. That way we can cover up the Gemini logo with our clients. And I'm just gonna stretch it out to where it's throughout the whole video. It's gonna be in that same spot. All right, so let me see. So you can see the logo stays right there at the bottom corner, right where I put it. And for that, all you gotta do is just create a sticker with your logo. Um, and you can go ahead and add it to any images or videos that you want. But yeah, there you go. See, you got the logo stayed right there. If I wanted to, I can even add some text to it. But yeah, if you wanted to, you can even add some text onto it. So for this one, let me go ahead and put my client's website. There we go, Maddox Pro. As you can see, I've already kind of done it, so that's why it's there. And just kind of, you can put it wherever you want, on the screen or whatnot. I'm gonna go ahead and delete that because since I already have the video already made, we'll go look at it one more time. Okay, but yeah, here's the
Fences
whole
to
video
roofs,
again
windows and siding.
one more time.
Years of dirt and grime building up. Look at that difference. Maddox Pro Wash makes your property look new again. Residential and commercial. Visit our website or give us a call to get your free quote today.
Okay, and one thing I didn't mention is the voiceover, which is the same thing. You can go and if you have like a script that you want to use, you can just create a voice file and go ahead and just direct on your phone as well. And you can just go ahead and overlay it with the video, just add it onto the video here. Let me show you real quick. If I wanted to do that, so like I said, I do pretty much everything on my phone here. And the editing, so on this one's gonna be right here. We're gonna add soundtrack. And that's just music you can add to it. So with some of these files, I know it's gonna be one of these unknown files at the top. I'm not too sure which one it is. Let me see.
If you're running ads,
No.
still paying for it.
No.
That honeydew list is
No.
from sidewalks and
there we go.
from sidewalks and
Okay,
fences to
so
roofs,
that's
windows
the
and siding.
voiceover file that I'm just
Look at
gonna
that difference. Years of
I'm
dirt
gonna
and grime.
use if I were
Gone.
to
Maddox Pro
actually do it.
Wash makes
So
your
you
property
just go
look
ahead and
new again.
hit done, and then right here you can control the volume and everything. I'm not gonna add it because, like I said, it's already been added onto the final product, so I'm not gonna add it again. But yeah, I mean, as you can see, it's pretty simple creating, getting your images from your website, Facebook, whatever. From there, go ahead and, using ChatGPT if you want to help you create a prompt. That way you can take that prompt, go over to Gemini or whatever video generator that you want to use. Again, my favorite one is Gemini. That's the one that I use. And again, I can do all that right directly from my phone. It takes me no more than 5 to 10 minutes, plus maybe another 5 minutes or so to edit. As as we saw in the first video, I didn't really like it too much because they didn't use all the before and after images that I wanted. So yeah, you take maybe 15, let's just say 20 minutes tops. I know I keep adding more time, but let's just say 20 minutes tops. You should be able to have your video ad that you can use if you're running an ad campaign, whether it be on Facebook, Google, or whatever, or if you just want to use it as a post for your social media. Don't forget your Google Business Profile. You can add videos to. But wait. There's more, believe it or not. There's a little bit more. Hang on. Don't leave just yet. Just stick around a couple more seconds, about 15 seconds or so. I just want to show you a real quick clip of other scenes that you can create. Again, just using your phone, just using AI. Watch out for these clips. Check them out. You don't need a drone. You don't need any expensive equipment or crews or anything like that.
Still waiting to start? The truth is, the best time isn't tomorrow.
All right, guys, like I said, this is really exciting. I don't know if you saw some of the clips that I just showed you that we just saw right now. You can have like a drone shot without even having a drone. Imagine having to do that on the highway, having to shut down the whole highway, how expensive that would be if you wanted to do that, right? But you don't have to do any of that with the process that I just showed you right now in this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comments. If you want to see if we can work together, go to my website. The link's in the description, and hit me up from there. Otherwise, what are you waiting for? Let your imagination go wild right now. See what you can come up with. Definitely, feel free to share whatever videos that you come up with, and just have fun with it. All right, I'll see you next one. Thanks.